Hi, welcome back. Well, I'm going to show you today how to tell the difference between the older style Selecto speeds and the newer style ones. This is a older style. This is a 1959 Selecto speed, 871 tractor. And the way to tell is the casting number on the side of the transmission here. You can see it says 312259 CWC. This is the older style Selecto speed, and the older style had the overrun clutches on the planetary gears in it. That means on some of the gears that you shift into, if you go downhill with it, you don't have any engine braking. It means the engine won't slow you down at all, and you just kind of freewheel down the hill. Now let me show you what a newer one looks like on a 64 Ford 4000, what the difference is. And this is on the 64 Ford 4000 tractor here, and the difference is that the casting number says CONN 7006B CWC. This is the newer style transmission that they went with before the really new style on the 3000 3-cylinder model tractors. Another thing too is the top cover has this flat spot on it here, a round flat spot. That's another difference. And these have direct drive clutches, so you don't get any of that freewheeling going down the hills. And this is the much newer style on the Ford 4000s, I mean 3000s, 2000s. These are a lot better than the other ones. And there's a big difference here. They have a cover underneath where the steering box is to put change your filters. Cartridge filters like. Now on the other ones, you had to take the top cover off and change a filter that was like an inline filter. You had to unhook one tube and the other tube and take it out. That was kind of a pain. And this is a lot different here. They don't have the CWC written here. It's still the 7006, but it's a little different on the casting numbers there. Of course, this is a much different transmission than the older ones. Well, I thought I'd show you the differences between all the transmissions, and hopefully that'll help you decide on if you want to pick up a Selecto speed or not. The early ones, they had some problems with them, but a lot of it comes down to improper maintenance. You gotta change the oil in the filters, make sure it's clean all the time, and improper usage. A lot of guys use that as a clutch all the time for each gear, and you're only supposed to use the inching pedal, they call it, just when you start out, either in first gear or to change from going forward to reverse, or to very gently back up to something or pull up to something. Other than that, most of the time when you're in forward gears, you just change the gear. You don't touch the pedal at all. So I hope this helps out a little. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.